Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you WalletHub Honest Review. So, first thing to know is that WalletHub does not issue a credit card, so debit cards or even credit builder card. Now, there's no WalletHub card you swipe or spend with. Now, WalletHub is a credit monitoring and personal finance platform, not a bank or lender here. Its role is more like a control center where you can see what's going on with your credit and money in real time. So, what really makes WalletHub here stands out is why people keep using it. Now, people keep using it is because of the daily credit monitoring. Now, when you sign up, WalletHub gives you access to your full TransUnion credit report and score updated every single day. Now, a lot of users mention this in reviews because most free apps only update weekly or monthly. So, seeing daily updates makes it easier to catch changes fast, whether that's score increases a new account or something suspicious. Now, inside the app here, WalletHub breaks your credit down in a very visual, beginner-friendly way. Now, people often say it's easier to understand than traditional credit reports, so you can see what's helping your score, what's hurting it, and what specific actions could improve it. Now, the app also gives you a wallet score, which combines credit, spending, savings, and overall financial health into one snapshot. Now, it's not something lenders use, but users like it because it helps them track progress over time. Now, when it comes to credit building, WalletHub doesn't build credit directly the way a secured card or a credit builder loan does. Now, what it offers instead is a credit reporting for certain bills, like let's just say rent, utilities, or phone payments. Through its credit builder features, now, when enabled, those on-time payments can be reported to TransUnion. Now, for people within credit files, this can help add positive payment history that wasn't showing up before. Now, reviews on Trustpilot here and often discussions elsewhere often describe this as helpful, but modest. It's not magic boost though, more like a slow, steady assist. Now, another thing people appreciate is the alerts. WalletHub sends notification when something changes on your credit report, now when your score moves, or when it spots something that might look risky. Now, many users says this gives them peace of mind, especially if they're worried about fraud or identity issues. Now, the free version it already does a lot here, which is why WalletHub gets recommended often as a no-cost monitoring tool. Now, there are some limitations people consistently point out here. WalletHub only pulls data from TransUnion, not Experian or Equifax. That means score you see in WalletHub does not match what a lender sees if they check a different bureau. Experienced credit users mention this often, especially when comparing WalletHub to apps like Credit Karma or Experian even. Now, there's also a premium version, and opinions there are kind of mixed. So now, basically, some people feel that the added identity protection, dark web monitoring, and deeper insights are worth paying for. Others say the free version already gives them everything they need and don't see much value in upgrading. So when people ask whether WalletHub is worth it, well, the general consensus is pretty clear. Now, WalletHub is excellent for monitoring and understanding your credit, catching changes quickly, and learning what actions might help improve your score. Now, it's not a credit card, it doesn't lend money, and it won't single-handedly build your credit. But as a companion tool, something you use alongside actual credit building products, a lot of users feel it's one of the best free options out there. Now, in this case, the honest way to describe WalletHub here as a dashboard. So, not the builder. So, think of it as a dashboard and not one of those builders that you commonly hear online. Now, it won't do the work for you, but it shows you exactly what's happening and where to focus. Now, for many people, especially if those actively working on a credit, that visibility alone is incredibly valuable. So basically, it gives you information, and depending on how you want to act on those information, that's how you improve your credit. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.